Hello and good morning, everybody. My name is Christian. This is TradersClub24, and welcome to Wednesday, the 23rd of May 2018. And as every trading day, we are preparing ourselves for the first market opening trade in the DAX, the German stock index. And for that, I'm going to use my MT4 trading platform. And we are switching to the M1 time frame so we can see the chart a little bit better. So within the first hour of trading, or within the first 53 minutes of trading, I should rather say, we do have an opening range of so far 21 points-ish. That means we opened today's trading day with a down gap, even though with a slight one. And so far the price is trading within that range. We are now clicking on the box lines, and you can see here our pending line, sell pending line on the bottom, the red one, and I'm going to adjust these lines to around this level. So I'd like to get into the trade once we have a new daily high, or if we break down about below the 13,124 point mark. So second step, the risk as always for the first trade of the day is 0.2%, calculated on my account balance of course, and the take profit is 0.1%. So that's done, and finally I'm going to activate these pending orders, and we are now waiting for another 5 minutes until it's 9 a.m. So that's the time when the stock market in Frankfurt is officially going to open, and then you can expect some sort of an impulse either to the top side or to the bottom side. We'll see. So 8:57, and we are already in our first trade. So some sort of pre-market movement, not a problem. And you can see here, that's the blue line, which is our take profit for the first trade. 5 seconds to go. One, and there we go. The market has opened 9 a.m. here in Germany. So you heard just the market opening bell. And so far, not much of a movement so far. In regards to yesterday, where we were out of the market before 9 a.m. already. So now trading new daily highs, and we are looking to close a gap. 2 minutes past 9, and we are still waiting for the final push. However, trading above the daily pivot. So looking good overall, I was just going to say. We'll hang in there. So 4 minutes past 9, and maybe now we are seeing another push towards the daily high. Again, the blue line represents our take profit. And now just 2 more points. 2 more points to get out of this trade, which would be consecutive winning trade number 399. But I don't know, the market's coming back. Oh, a strong change of trend here, and we are now in our second trade. The blue line has fallen below the current market price, and still we need 1-2 more points to get out of this trade. Please keep in mind that the first trade is still running, and we just opened a second trade with a different volume size. So that means when the price hits either of the blue lines, all trades will close out, and the losses and the profits will not only even out, but it will result in a take profit at the end of the trade of 0.1%, as you can see here on the right hand side in my Swissbox add-on for the MetaTrader. And that's it. We are out of the trade number 399. And let me join the trades here for you. So we are on the M1. Let's zoom in. First trade long, second trade short, but because the short trade had a bigger position size, we finished our market opening trade with a profit as always. So thanks very much for watching. Have a great day ahead. We are not trading tomorrow and on Friday because we are on a business trip, but we'll see you back on Monday next week. Till then, all the best. Bye bye.